Assalamu alaikum, and a very warm welcome to everyone joining our workshop, AI for Better Presentations. We are truly delighted to have you here today. While we wait for everyone to join, take a moment to settle in, get comfortable, and prepare to step into a world where technology meets creativity, where ideas flow seamlessly, and where presentations are no longer just slides, they become experiences that engage, inspire, and leave a lasting impact. This workshop is brought to you by Shaheen Learning Hub, a platform dedicated to empowering learners, educators, and school leaders with knowledge, creativity, and practical skills. At Shaheen Learning Hub, our vision is simple yet powerful: to make learning accessible, engaging, and effective for everyone. Through innovative tools, carefully designed content, and a focus on creativity, we help educators and students unlock their full potential. Whether it's learning a new concept, creating effective lesson plans, or preparing professional presentations, Shaheen Learning Hub aims to guide and inspire every learner on their journey. Today, we are exploring one of the most exciting applications of technology in education: artificial intelligence for presentations. AI has the power to transform how we communicate ideas. With AI, slides are no longer just text and images. They can be interactive. It's visually stunning and perfectly tailored to your audience. AI tools can suggest layouts, create professional graphics instantly, generate animations and smooth transitions, and even help prepare speaking notes. Imagine saving hours of work while still producing slides that are creative, accurate, and highly engaging. Whether you are a teacher, a student, or a school leader, AI is your creative partner. From lesson planning to professional presentations, it helps you save time, organize content logically, and present ideas in the most visually appealing way. During this workshop, you will see live demonstrations, try hands-on activities, explore tools like Canva, AI, Gamma, Beautiful.ai, and Microsoft Designer. We will show you how to create full presentations in minutes, improve existing slides instantly, and make every slide tell a story. But Shaheen Learning Hub believes in more than just tools. It believes in responsible, ethical, and meaningful use of technology. Today, we will also discuss how to use AI wisely, ensuring that it enhances creativity and learning without replacing human insight, originality, or integrity. By combining your ideas with the capabilities of AI, every presentation you create can be smarter, faster, and more professional, while still reflecting your unique voice and style. As you wait for the workshop to begin, take a moment to imagine the possibilities: slides that explain concepts instantly, visuals that capture attention, presentations that flow naturally like a story, and tools that make preparation easier than ever. Shaheen Learning Hub is here to guide you, support you, inspire you to make Learning Hub presenting an extraordinary experience. Thank you for joining us today. Get ready to explore, learn, and create. Because with AI and Shaheen Learning Hub by your side, your presentations will never be ordinary again. Let's make them smarter, faster, and extraordinary.